Google AdSense versus Ezoic, which pays more? Today I ran real-world tests to find out so you can quickly decide which one actually gives you better earnings based on how your site works. Starting with how they operate, Google AdSense is the simpler option. Once you sign up and get approved, ads are placed on your site and you start earning based on views and clicks. Everything runs in the background and you don't need to manage much. It's straightforward, which makes it ideal if you're just getting started or want something easy to maintain. Ezoic works differently. Instead of showing just one version of ads, it tests multiple layouts and placements automatically. Over time, it figures out which setup earns more and adjusts your site based on real visitor behavior. This means it's constantly trying to improve your revenue instead of sticking to one setup. When it comes to earnings, this is where the gap can show. AdSense gives stable and consistent results, but it doesn't actively experiment much unless you make changes yourself. Ezoic, on the other hand, focuses on optimization. By testing different combinations, it often finds ways to increase how much each visitor is worth. This is why many users notice higher earnings after switching, especially once the system has enough data to work with. However, that doesn't mean Ezoic is instantly better for everyone. There's a learning period at the beginning. When you first set it up, performance can fluctuate while the system tests different options. During this phase, earnings may not look impressive right away, but they tend to improve over time as the system learns what works best for your audience. Another factor is control and ease of use. AdSense keeps things simple and clean, while Ezoic gives you more control over how ads behave, even though much of it is automated. This added flexibility can help increase revenue, but it also means there are more settings to understand. Site speed and user experience also matter. AdSense is lighter and easier to run, while Ezoic adds more scripts because of its testing system. This can slightly affect how fast your site loads, so it's something to keep in mind if speed is a priority for you. So if your goal is simplicity and steady income, AdSense is the safer choice. If you're willing to go through a short adjustment period to potentially earn more over time, Ezoic offers a more optimized approach. The key difference comes down to how much you want to optimize your earnings. One gives you a simple setup that works right away, while the other actively works in the background to try and increase your results.